Drug dealer being charged now with murdering an alleged drug user. It wouldn't normally make headlines, but this case is a bit unusual. The suspect isn't charged with murder because he shot his victim. He's charged with murder because she allegedly took drugs and overdosed on them, drugs that he sold her. 18-year-old Ariel Brundage died 6 months ago, and now her family is one step closer to justice. The Clay County Sheriff's Office this morning announced the arrest of Tremaine Muller for murder and Tyler Hamilton and Christopher Williams for manslaughter. First Coast News reporter Juliette Dreyer has the sheriff's harsh words for the three men and for others who may be involved with drugs.
The Clay County Sheriff's Office says this is the first time in Clay, Duval, or Nassau counties that drug distribution has led to a murder charge.
I think Lil Lucky ain't so lucky no more.
Clay County Sheriff Daryl Daniels refers to Tremaine Muller by his street name, Lucky. The 32-year-old is charged with murder for allegedly selling 18-year-old Ariel Brundage a lethal dose of fentanyl back in November.
Unfortunately for him, he decided to peddle his products in Clay County, and I think luck ran out. So I'm changing his street name from Lucky to Unlucky.
According to the state attorney's office, Brundage, her boyfriend Tyler Hamilton, and her friend Christopher Williams purchased heroin from Muller on November 9th. But authorities say Muller actually sold them fentanyl, which is 50 times more potent, according to the CDC. Brundage overdosed early the next morning.
Well over the lethal dose of fentanyl was found in her system at time of death.
Now, law enforcement are cracking down on drug dealers and users.
Get the hell out of Clay County while you can.
By treating every overdose as a homicide.
And yes, I hope you get taken away from your family and those who love you and care for you. They can visit you in prison. And that's just how I feel about it.
In addition to the murder charge from Muller, Hamilton and Williams are charged with manslaughter.
The activities they engaged in, the drug activity that was likely to cause the victim's death.
According to the sheriff's office, so far this year there have been 16 deadly drug overdoses in Clay County. Half involved fentanyl. 49 people died in Clay County last year from drug overdoses. That's too many for the sheriff, who wants the so-called poison out of his county.
We talked about dragging people from the gates of hell in the past, and so we don't have to do that, get the hell out of Clay County.
In Clay County, Juliette Dreyer, First Coast News.